Okay. Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There was some
Yes, ma'am.
network issue. Some network issue was there. Fine. I think almost those who wanted to join, they have joined the class. I just wanted to know where exactly we had stopped the previous class. We were going on the reading part or something else we were doing. The explanation part was going on.
Sewer cleaner was.
Huh?
Ma'am, the sewer was.
Acha, this sewer, right. We were on the right. So I'll take the attendance with you. Your attendance quickly, and I hope you all have the books with you, people.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Fine, fine,
Yes.
fine. 8B. लविश बेटा आपको सब समझ में आ गया है जो सब चीजें हमने करी हैं कोई ऐसी चीज जो आपकी रह गई हो है बच्चे
Ma'am, this chapter is left because of the network issue, ma'am.
okay fine so today we'll be doing it and rest you can always go through the recordings that are sent on the group no
Yes, ma'am, I have downloaded all.
very good that's very nice Ankur is there in the class
Yes, ma'am.
okay do we have then we have RN Bharadwaj right
Yes, ma'am.
fine RN Bharadwaj we have Divyansh Jain
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning beta Dia never attends the class. Why is it so? Lavish Patel. Then we have Pradyun. How are you, Pradyun?
Ma'am, all fine.
Very good. Rakshit.
Present, ma'am.
Hmm. Then Sanidhya. Right. Pradyunsh, we were on the scheduled castes, right? Upliftment of the scheduled castes. Atrocities Act we were doing, I believe.
Opening the chapter.
Huh?
2 minutes, ma'am. I'm opening. Ma'am, 2 minutes, ma'am. I'm opening my book.
Huh.
Ma'am, sewer.
We were on the
Ma'am, woman one.
women one. Okay. Uh, OBCs we have done. Yes, class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Fine.
which page number?
Page number 300. Page 300 we have to do today.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Right. Pradyunsh, where we have to start with the women, no?
No, ma'am. We have done till women. We need to start from minorities.
Okay,
Women
we need to
till I
start
have done.
from minorities. Fine, fine, fine.
Minorities.
Thank you so much, Bacha.
No,
Thank you. Huh?
ma'am, we have done this.
We have done minorities also.
Ma'am,
Sewer
ma'am,
cleaning.
last time you,
No, ma'am.
ma'am, you last time you
Not
were
done.
explaining us this sewer part.
Sewer cleaning. I was explaining. I was telling you about the various incidents that have been, registered, where many of the people who were given this manual scavenging and sewer one we were doing. No,
Yes, ma'am.
very good. Right now I remember. Now I have recalled. I was telling you about the sewer part. In this, many of the places, like I was telling you about one incident in Lucknow which happened. Some of the people, like the labor class people, they were from Bihar. They were told to clean the sewage, but because of the acute gas smell that was coming from that sewage, uh, all the four, not even single person could be, could escape from there. The one who initially started, who went down, immediately he came back. He came out of that. Sewage. He said that I cannot breathe over there, so he did not go inside. He said, I don't want money now. The other 4 or 5 people, those who were there, they went inside. They tried to clean it, but because of the gas that they could not, that's because of the suffocation that they had to bear because of the gas smell. They fainted there only, and finally, when the search was on, their dead bodies could only be recovered. So after these kind of incidents, Supreme Court had, ordered the government that when we have the right to equality under the fundamental rights, then why this kind of discrimination is being practiced among the people? Why human beings are told to, go for the manual scavenging, or why they have to clean the sewage? Right now we have big machines. There are machines which are being used for cleaning the sewage, and even for the manual scavenging part, government has ordered that no human being will be involved in the cleaning of the human excreta, the dry latrine parts that were made. Now if you see in the trains, those who have been traveling by trains, they know that in the trains there is no system of, where like those who go to the washrooms and all, they must have seen that they have to, where when they go for getting fresh, there is no pot as such. Everything goes down, and then later on it is cleaned. There are people who are deployed for the cleaning, for the manual scavenging. So this, as per law, has been completely abolished by the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has given guidelines that no human being will be involved in the cleaning of such thing. There are machines. Government need to ensure that machines are provided, and they need to think of some other ways of cleaning it. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. uh, I think this whole thing is complete. Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Almost.
ma'am.
Fine. So we will read it again. This in 1993, employment of manual scavengers. Sanidhya, can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Good
In
morning.
1993, employment of manual scavengers, eradication and construction of dry latrines Prohibition Act was passed by the government. This act sought to remove the employment of manual scavengers for carrying human excreta and provided the construction of dry latrines. Nevertheless, manual scavenging continued. As a result, another act called the Prohibition of Employment as Manual Scavengers and their Rehabilitation was passed in 2013.
Very
The
good.
main objective of
Huh?
act, the
Carry on.
main objective, the main objective of this act was to do the following: first, to eliminate the insanitary latrines;
Hmm.
second, prohibit first one employment of manual scavengers, and second one hazardous manual cleaning of sewer and septic tanks, and third one is survey of manual scavengers and their rehabilitation in a time-bound manner. This act widened the definition of manual scavengers and recognized that manual cleaning of sewer and septic tanks was hazardous. However, the truth remains that despite these measures, this degrading practice still continues in some parts of our country. It highlights the inequality in social status and dignity that the Dalits suffer every day at the hands of the society. What we must remember is that law alone do, alone do not bring about a change in the social outlook. Education is the key to enlightenment, and hence not only should the Dalits be educated, but the upper caste mindset, mindset should also be encouraged to change and to accept Dalits as equal.
Fine, fine. Now, this was all about the chapter, the social justice that was to be imparted to the marginalized groups that are there in the society. I hope this all is clear and understood to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything in this that is not understood?
All clear, ma'am.
Fine. Now, there's a few things that you need to underline are this Employment of Manual Scavengers, Eradication and Construction of Dry Latrines Prohibition Act. This you need to underline. Then prohibition of employment as manual scavengers and the rehabilitation, which was passed. These lines also you people underline. Then what were the main objectives of the acts that came into being regarding the manual scavengers and the Rehabilitation Act? These also you need to underline. Fine. Pradyunsh,
Yes, ma'am.
read the recapitulation if you have the book with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Recapitulation. Scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, other backward classes, minorities, and women form a marginalized section of our society. After independence, our constitution sought to provide social and economic justice to the marginalized section. The central government, through different departments, had launched several schemes for the SC, ST, OBC, women, and minorities. The efforts to uplift the marginalized have brought about positive changes.
Fine. Only this much are there.
No, ma'am, on backside
Some more are
also.
there.
Some
Yes.
inequalities remains in the society as can be seen through the existence of manual scavenging. A change of societal mindset is needed along with the governmental efforts.
Fine. Very good. Let us do the exercises quickly.
Ma'am, please tell the page number.
Page number 302, Priyanshi. Lavish?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, book है बेटा आपके पास?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So you will be answering first 5 exercises. Find the answers. Take 5 minutes to do so, okay? And we will resume after 5 minutes to discuss the answers, right? All those who are there, just 5 minutes you take, okay? ये सेकंड पीरियड तो सुरभि मैम का है ना सर? ये ना, ये सुरभि मैम हो गया था डिसाइड, ये हमारा, ये सुरभि मैम लेंगी ना?
Ma'am, your mic is open.
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है, ठीक है, कर दिया। ना ना ना, ये सुरभि मैम का है, गलती से कर दिया था।
Ma'am, done.
डन, चलो लेट अस स्टार्ट।
Ma'am, done.
फर्स्ट वन, लविश, विल यू टेल?
Yes, ma'am. First one is marginalized.
रीड द होल स्टेटमेंट बच्चा।
Ma'am, social justice targets the people of the society. A, wealthy, B, powerful, C, marginalized, D, healthy. Ma'am, answer is marginalized.
You can say social justice targets the marginalized people of the society, right?
Ma'am, now may I tell?
Okay, yes, Divyansh, second one.
Article 15 prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, caste, sex, or place of.
Fine. Article 15 prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Next, Lavish.
The Ministry to Tribal Affairs was set up in 1999.
Very good, Peter. Next.
Ma'am, may I tell the fourth?
Yes,
No
yes,
matter.
Divyansh. Let Divyansh tell.
Ma'am,
Yes, Divyansh.
the percent of reservation for OBC in the government services is.
Yes, Divyansh.
Ma'am, may I repeat?
Repeat.
The percentage of reservation for the OBCs in the government services is 27%.
Yes, it is 27%. Very good. Lavish, next.
The Indian government abolishes the practice of manual scavenging in the year 2013.
बेटा 1993 में नहीं है?
Ma'am, it's in 1993.
हाँ, it is in बेटा लविश, वो थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है, ये 1993 में है बच्चे, ठीक है?
Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell this one?
Yes, yes. Fill in the blanks.
Ma'am, Article 16 provided equal economic opportunities to all.
हाँ, Article 16 provides equal. हाँ, next one. Second one.
Second,
Philip's first one, Article 15 and 16 are the answers.
No, beta, only 15 is the answer. 16 is the answer. Economic opportunities to all.
yes, ma'am. 15
Yes,
prohibits the discrimination on ground.
हाँ, ठीक है. Next, blank, Sanidhya.
Ma'am, prohibition of employment as manual scavengers and their Rehabilitation Act was passed in 2013.
हाँ, it is rehabilitation, right? Rehabilitation. हाँ, चलो, no problem.
Ma'am, manual scavenging is mostly done by the Dalit community.
Minority.
Minority communities नहीं है बेटा.
Ma'am, scheduled caste and minorities communities. Ma'am, it's written there.
Ma'am, Dalit communities.
Dalit, it is written, this
Sorry,
task is meant
Dalit.
specifically for the Dalits. It is,
Ma'am, in the last paragraph, first line.
Ma'am, 301 paragraph.
हाँ, 301 first paragraph and second paragraph both. Scheduled caste or Dalits, ठीक है? दलित लिख लो या शेड्यूल कास्ट लिख लो, बात एक ही है, ठीक है बेटा? यस प्रियांशी.
Ma'am, next okay.
Okay, next, who will tell?
Ma'am,
My.
Pradyunsh, let Pradyunsh tell. Yes, Pradyunsh.
The OBC receive financial aids in the form of pre and post matric scholarships.
Okay, pre and post matric scholarships. Very good, very good. Next, Sanidhya.
Yes, ma'am.
In providing social justice, the Constitution recognizes past. Anybody in the class who would like to tell this answer?
Please repeat the first two fill-ups.
Acha, just a second. Pradyumsh, can you do this for me? First two fill-ups.
Yes, ma'am. Article 16 and ma'am second is ma'am. Ma'am, first is Article 16 and second is prohibition of employment as manual scavenging and the rehabilitation was passed in 2013.
Yes, very good. Next. Yes, the last one, who will tell? Beta, please tell. Who will tell the last one? Shall I?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, मैं बताऊं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In providing social justice, the Constitution recognizes past practices against the marginalized groups. ठीक है? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Shall we proceed on?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. Next is, I think, true false. Through the process of marginalization, backward and minority groups are empowered. Is it true or false?
Ma'am, false.
It is false. Very
Ma'am.
good. What should be the
And
correct
second
answer?
one, may I tell?
Wait. What should be the correct statement?
Ma'am, through process of marginalized, backward and minorities groups are discriminated.
Very good. Are discriminated. Very good, Pratyush. Okay. Next, Lavish will tell.
Ma'am, I.
Okay, Divyansh, tell beta.
Women's right to equal pay for equal work has been recognized under Article 35D. False, it is under Article 39D.
Very good. 39D. Very good. Next, who will tell? Priyanshi will tell. Priyanshi will tell the next blank, the next true false. Priyanshi, be a little louder. You are not audible with her. Okay. Anybody else in the class who would tell the answer?
Ma'am, it's false.
बेटा बताओ जल्दी बताओ.
Ma'am, third one is false.
Third one is false. What should be the
False,
correct
ma'am.
statement? What should be the correct statement? The fundamental rights in our constitution.
Fundamental rights in our constitution emphasis on improving the condition of social scheduled castes. Ma'am, only will be cut.
नहीं, हम ये भी लिख सकते हैं
scheduled tribes and women's.
वेरी गुड प्रियांश, हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं दैट फंडामेंटल राइट्स इन आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एम्फेसाइज ऑन इम्प्रूविंग द कंडीशंस ऑफ मार्जिनलाइज्ड कम्युनिटीज, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it
Yes,
should be
ma'am.
marginalized. हाँ, it should be marginalized communities. चलिए, next. Forcing a member of a scheduled caste or a scheduled tribe to drink or eat any inedible or obnoxious substance is a punishable offense. True
Ma'am,
or
true.
false? It is
Ma'am,
true.
true.
True. Very good. Very good. Now, coming to the short answer type questions. Who are the other backward classes? Who are the other backward classes?
Ma'am, answer is other backward classes are those caste or community that are notified as socially and educationally backward classes by the state government.
या फिर सिर्फ इतना लिख सकते हैं that other backward classes are those castes and communities that are notified as socially and educationally backward classes. Full stop. Answer complete. Right, Pradyush?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
I hope all have underlined these lines.
Yes, ma'am.
Priyansh, can you repeat beta this answer? Page number
Yes,
299. Page number 299. Yes, repeat, bacha, repeat.
Who are the other backward classes? Ma'am, answer is other backward classes are those castes or communities that are notified as socially and educationally backward classes.
Very good. Very good, bacha, very good. Next is, what do you understand by social justice?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, yes, now you are audible. Tell. Will you tell this answer?
Thank you. Ma'am, the first question was other backward classes are those castes and communities that are notified as socially and educationally backward classes.
This is done, beta. Priyanshi, this is done.
Yes, ma'am, till where?
Till here, till there only, where you have stopped.
Okay, ma'am.
What is social justice? Who will tell?
Ma'am, social justice are recognized that there are situations where application of the same rules to disadvantaged group can generate inequality.
No, 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 no. This is not correct. The above lines, Pradyumsh, the above lines are there. Social justice provides a framework to assess the. Huh?
I was also thinking that I was having this or that.
You can always tell, no problems. Repeat the answer.
Social justice provide a framework to the assess that impact the policies and practices.
Very good. Social justice provides a framework to assess the impact of policies and practices for the marginalized
Ma'am,
people. Yes, beta Priyansh.
answer written, ma'am. In which paragraph, ma'am?
Beta, this answer is written on page 297, left hand side, first paragraph. 7th line.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Please tell.
Social justice provides a framework to assess the impact of policies and practices.
For the marginalized people in the of the society. ठीक है? Right, class?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Anidya. Yes, Anidya. Next answer you will tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, next question is that what does the Article 15 of our Constitution state? Ma'am, the Article 15 it prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth.
Very good. Page 297, the yellow portion left hand side. Article 15 prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Reservations in the case of women, scheduled caste, and scheduled tribes, differently abled persons, and other backward classes are allowed. Fine. This whole paragraph you can write as the answer. Is it clear and understood, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, next can I tell?
Yes, Pradyush, tell.
Ma'am, manual scavenging refers to the people lifting human excreta with their hand and carrying loads on their head, hips, or shoulders.
ठीक है. Very good. This is the answer. Manual scavenging refers to the people lifting human excreta with their hands or carrying loads on their head, hips, or shoulders. Fine. I think till here. Huh? Yes, class.
Page number.
This is page number 301, left hand side, third paragraph, first 4 lines. Right?
Ma'am, got the answer.
Very good. Next.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Discuss
the
briefly.
question is discuss briefly the constitutional and governmental provisions made to uplift the status of the scheduled caste. Ma'am,